before we start our little bit program, we're gonna finish everything and then we go for the food. Everything finish and then we eat. So before we go, I'm gonna ask somebody to pray for the food and the evening and also the birthday boy. So I'm gonna ask my princess, my wife, can you please pray for the evening, the food, and everything.
Let's pray for our
Thank you for the praise. Before we start, I'm gonna say thank you. I'm gonna welcome everybody that will be with us tonight. You'll be a family, Molton family, another gathering tonight. I remember last time we gathering for Norski's birthday, and tonight we gather for. What's your name? What's your name? Leeanski, Molton, Skilly. Where are you from? Where are you from? Molton? Norski, where are you from? Yes, please. Before he said, anyway, thank you for coming tonight, the Unit family. And also recognize Tony and your wife and the Philippine. First time I see you, right?
That's Ricky's sister.
Thank you for everybody that coming tonight. And even my handsome nephew and the wife, thank you for coming, Mona. And everybody. That's what I'm asking for. We're gonna be finished the little short program and then we start the food. We start eating the food. So I'm gonna ask Molton or Yumi to opening the short remarketing. Molton, speak one of them, Yumi speak Kosayan. Yeah. Okay, Molton. First of all, I want to thank the Lord for guiding all of us to meet again today. Especially the birthday boy. Thank the Lord to guide him to reach 4 years old. And thank you guys for coming. Thank you guys time to come and join us. Celebrate Leeanski's birthday. Nothing I'm gonna say a lot, but thanks to the Lord. For guiding my son to reach 4 years old. Thank you. Tony, you want to say anything? Okay? Okay. We're gonna sing happy birthday to my handsome Bonaparte boy. Hey! Okay, kids, stand up. Let's sing the happy birthday. Happy birthday! Remy, where's the candle? Lado.
Who's this?
Hey, you sell side so everybody can watch.
Guess na.
She's not weird.
Janaya, I like the line like
What the cake needs to say, Kashaya Ponape.
Are you Kushain or Ponape?
Oh!
Wow!
And the other one, Kashaya?
Yeah.
How can you guys be brothers?
It's a Christmas tree on your
It's
hill.
not your birthday.
Wow.
It's not birthday.
We can put gifts under his head, yeah?
Wait,
Get ready.
Stop blowing caca.
I'm not.
Hey,
Empty.
no.
It's windy.
Very windy here.
Yeah.
Hey, 1, 2, 3, sing!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Leeanski. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you, Leeanski? Happy birthday to you.
Make a
Dear Lord bless you.
Make a
Dear Lord bless you. Make a dear Lord bless Leeanski. Happy birthday to you.
blow,
Yay!
blow. Hey!
Good job. Now we go drink Chateau because you're older now.
Okay,
Oh,
pick up your wallet. Let's make a round for my Bonaparte boy. wafer have 1 penny, $10. Make a round for my son. Let's have one, lol. Wanna stand up? Or you can sit down? You can sit down?
Off my Bluetooth.
Let's have one. Hey, tiyak.
Yubi, play your song.
What do I do?
You off?
What do I do?
Leeanski. You could just, we're just waiting for the song and then we go around.
It's this. Or should I put it on top of the thing?
Try putting here. It's recording. There.
He's sleeping.
It's okay, you don't have to zoom because it's going to show everything.
It's not even letting it.
Bruh, move.
You look lost.
Leeanski.
Your hair, isn't it going in your eye?
When is Norsky's birthday? July. It already passed. What is it? July. July what? Blah blah blah. You know when we're starting our yeah, January, and my birthday's on January 5. You're gonna be older than me because my birthday's on March. Imagine my birthday's on January 1.
Get ready, eh?
Imagine I'm already up here. Yeah. Imagine I cannot even get inside and
Isaac, come line up.
look at your
Come line up.
Okay, hurry up. Easy.
Imagine you have like
Hey, guys, come over here.
we're gonna be like
Coming line. Good. Line operator.
Kikita.
Ira. Come, Isaac, come.
To you. Now, I'm gonna ask the Bonapian boy to say a word. Say thank you in Bonpe and thank you in Koshai. Okay, stand up. Okay.
Thank you for Jesus, for my Lord, for my birthday. Thank you for the money for everybody.
Whoa! What a good deed! He said, thank you, Lord, for my birthday. Thank you, Lord, for my money. Thank you, Lord, for everybody. Wow! You're a smart and some Ponapian Koshai, right? Okay. Thank you, Leeanski. Thank you, Mom, Dad, right? For guiding me for how many years? 4 years old. Oh my gosh, Leeanski is getting smart. Now I'm gonna ask Yumi to say words closing for Yumi, Molton, Skillin.
Nothing much to say.
Go to the front. I can't see you.
Speaking Koshai.
Eat.
Koshayan.
Well,
Irish not here.
How many years already? So you have to know how to speak Koshayan. So you speak Koshayan.
But they don't understand.
Tony understand. Come on, come at you.
Okay. First of all, I would like to give thanks to our Heavenly Father
beep, beep.
for holding each and every one of us bread of life until tonight. I want to thank you all for coming here tonight to celebrate Leeanski's 4th birthday with us tonight. Thank you all for the money. I know Leeanski already said thank you, but thank you again for his money. And thank you.
Still talking for me.
Everybody.
Everybody again. Thank you, Kalangan Glamala.
Okay. This time for every time. Happy hour, every time. But anybody want to say anything? I didn't see Susan tonight. Susan? Okay. Okay. Never mind. She late.